Hello everyone, welcome to the Heroes Initiative powered by IPCA. These heroes are instrumental in improving quality of life of the patients. Today we have one such hero who has improved life of tens and thousands of such patients. Doctor, we welcome you to the Heroes Initiative by IPCA. So doctor, now we are focusing on cataract surgery pre and post-operative care. So doctor, my first question for you is, what should I expect during the pre-operative assessment for cataract surgery? Are there any specific preparation do I need to make, doctor?
Yeah. So pre-operatively, there are a lot of things that need to be done. Like you need to get your eye checked in details. You need to what is the position of your cornea? What is the pupil? How much is the dilatation? What is your intraocular pressure? How much is the grade of cataract that you have in your eyes? Retina, especially those who are diabetic or hypertensive, we need to see the retina. What is the condition of the retina? Then a basic thing that we need to do pre-operatively is biometry, that is A scan, which calculates the IOL power that we used intraoperatively. And if you have a mature cataract, we need to do a B scan ultrasound and blood tests like complete blood count, your blood sugar level, what is your blood pressure. And this assessment should be like very accurate to get a good vision post-operatively.
What are the most important post-operative care steps to ensure a smooth recovery after cataract surgery, doctor?
So most importantly, you must stick to the advice that is given to you post-operatively by the medical personnel. Firstly, instill all the eye drops as advised. Water should not enter into your eyes for 15 to 20 days. So avoid head bath, avoid washing your face for around 15 to 20 days. Avoid going out to the dusty places because there is a chance of infection if the dust goes into your eyes. Dark goggles to avoid photophobia soon after the cataract surgery is needed. Ocular hygiene is a must, should be maintained. Do not touch or do not rub your eyes. And this is all.
Agreed, doctor, what you said. Are there any common complications after cataract surgery and how they can be managed or prevented?
The complications are very rare, but yes, there are possibilities that there can be swelling in the cornea, especially if you have a harder cataract, then the cornea may swell up. There can be some reaction which can be seen inside the eye. There can be swelling or fluid accumulation inside your retina. And if at times if the bag is the cataracts are very hard, then the bag becomes very weak, so it becomes difficult to implant the normal intraocular lenses. So for those cases, we may need some special intraocular lenses, which is if not available, then they may need a second sitting of surgery to implant the IOLs. And at times, the intraocular pressure during the surgery may rise up, so which can be managed by giving some intravenous fluids or tablets. And post-operatively, you may have some. You may have if you are facing a blurry vision, there can be some opacification seen behind the lens, which can be cleared with the laser, and all the conditions are treatable. So if you face any kind of problem, it's important that you consult your eye surgeon for the same.
So doctor, your expertise and insights on cataract surgery pre and post-operative care are invaluable to this initiative, and we believe your participation will greatly benefit the patients.